February the 15th is the International Day of my little sister's genetic disorder, Angelman syndrome. Haven't you heard about it yet? My daddy explained it to me last night. If you want to help my sister as well, help us spread the awareness of this genetic syndrome by sharing this video. And keep on watching this video to better understand this condition. Thank you.
Shall I read you a story, darling?
No, not tonight.
No story tonight? That'd be a first. Usually you're the one begging me to read one.
Tonight I would like you to explain to me again why Lily doesn't talk and has trouble walking.
Do you remember that Lily has a rare disorder called Angelman syndrome since she was born?
Yes, but why does she have this condition?
Do you see your body?
Well, yes.
It's made up of cells. In fact, everything in our body is made up of cells. Skin, muscles, bones, heart, brain. These cells are very, very small, but they are alive. They breathe, eat, and produce energy. They work as mini factories.
Do we have lots of those cells?
Billions of them. But let's take a closer look to understand Lily's problem, shall we?
Okay.
Do you see all those little things that look like walls? They're called chromosomes. You can see them if you look at a cell with a super magnifying glass like a microscope.
There are lots of them.
There are exactly 23 of them, and each of them have two parts. One part that comes from the dad, and one part that comes from the mom.
And what are they for, those walls?
Well, the walls, they're bricks to be more precise, are the ones that provide the building plan for all of the cells in our body.
And what do they produce, those cells?
They produce proteins, which are essential for the life of the whole body. Look at all those people working here. As I said, it's like a mini factory.
Hey, but it looks like there's some kind of problem here.
Yes, that's Angelman syndrome. Do you see that brick? This is the UBE3A brick.
That's a weird name.
Yes, and in Lily's case, this brick has a problem on its building plan. As a result, the cell cannot produce some of the proteins. They are either not produced, or produced in small quantities, or they are produced but with a defect. That explains all the problems of your sister.
Ah, that's why. I understand better now.
What I've just explained to you is very complicated. Anyway, Lily is wonderful, and we love her as she is.
Oh, yes, Lily. She has the most beautiful smile in the world.
Well, it's time for you to go to sleep. Good night, sweetheart. People with Angelman syndrome face many challenges every day, such as living with severe intellectual disability, lack of speech, motor, balance, sleep, and sensory disorders. They're known for having a happy demeanor and being very sociable. February 15th is the International Day of this genetic disorder caused by a loss of function of the UBE3A gene on chromosome 15. The research is progressing to improve the living conditions of patients with 4 clinical trials underway and more to come. And thanks to you, maybe tomorrow I'll be able to tell a different story to my son. Help us spread the word about Angelman syndrome by sharing this video and helping to make the research move forward. Thank you.